a Rari, I'd rather have a Chevy. I don't want no head lately, I've been getting Becky. I just want the bread, keep the peanut butter